Window installation is a crucial service for homeowners in Kuna ID looking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, our team ensures that each installation meets the highest standards, providing long-term savings on energy bills while supporting premium window replacement Kuna ID services. Energy-efficient windows in Kuna, Idaho are designed to reduce heat loss and improve insulation, making them an ideal choice for those looking to upgrade their home windows. These windows not only enhance comfort but also contribute to a more sustainable environment, especially when paired with expert window replacement Kuna ID options. Vinyl window replacement in Kuna ID offers a durable and cost-effective solution for homeowners seeking to improve their property's appearance and functionality. Vinyl windows are known for their low maintenance and excellent insulation properties, making them a popular choice in the region and ideal for full window replacement Kuna ID projects. Double-pane windows in Kuna, Idaho provide superior insulation compared to single-pane options, helping to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. This feature is particularly beneficial in areas with extreme weather conditions, ensuring comfort throughout the year and complementing high-quality window replacement Kuna ID services. Window installation services in Kuna ID are essential for maintaining the integrity and performance of your windows. From minor installations to complete overhauls, our skilled technicians are equipped to handle all types of window issues, ensuring your home remains secure and energy efficient through dependable window replacement Kuna ID. Custom window solutions in Kuna, Idaho cater to the unique needs and preferences of each homeowner. Whether you're looking for a specific style or need windows tailored to fit unusual dimensions, our team can create the perfect solution for your home as part of your window replacement Kuna ID planning. Home window upgrades in Kuna ID can significantly enhance your property's value and curb appeal. By investing in modern, energy-efficient windows, you can enjoy improved comfort and reduced energy costs while boosting your home's marketability, especially with professional window replacement Kuna ID services. Window glass replacement in Kuna, Idaho is a vital service for those dealing with cracked or broken glass. Our experts ensure a seamless replacement process, restoring the safety and appearance of your windows without compromising on quality, a key component of effective window replacement Kuna ID. Window frame installation in Kuna ID addresses issues such as rot, warping, or damage caused by weather conditions. Proper frame installation is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity and functionality of your windows and ensuring long-lasting window replacement Kuna ID results. Residential window services in Kuna, Idaho encompass a wide range of offerings, from installation and upgrades to maintenance and installations. Our comprehensive services ensure that your windows remain in top condition, providing lasting benefits for your home and complementing any window replacement Kuna ID work. Window sealing in Kuna ID is an effective way to prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. By sealing gaps and cracks around your windows, you can reduce heat loss and enhance indoor comfort, essential steps during window replacement Kuna ID enhancements. Window maintenance in Kuna, Idaho is essential for prolonging the lifespan of your windows and ensuring optimal performance. Regular maintenance checks can identify potential issues early, preventing costly installations down the line and supporting successful window replacement Kuna ID outcomes. Window insulation in Kuna ID is a key factor in maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Proper insulation helps to regulate temperature, reduce noise, and lower energy consumption, making it a worthwhile investment as part of your window replacement Kuna ID project. Window contractor services in Kuna, Idaho provide expert guidance and installation for all your window needs. Our experienced contractors ensure each project is completed to the highest standards, delivering exceptional results for every window replacement Kuna ID requirement. For top-notch window installation and energy-efficient windows in Kuna ID, look no further. Our residential window services in Kuna, Idaho offer a wide range of options, including vinyl window replacement and double-pane windows. Whether you need window installation services or custom window solutions, we have you covered, all integrated with reliable window replacement Kuna ID services. Window glass replacement in Kuna, Idaho is a breeze with our expert team. We specialize in window frame installation and window sealing to ensure your windows are in perfect condition. Our window maintenance services in Kuna ID include window insulation and window contractor services to keep your home comfortable year-round. For those in need of window design consultation in Kuna, Idaho, our experts provide personalized window measurement and window fitting services that enhance your window replacement Kuna ID results. Upgrade your home with our window hardware replacement and window caulking services in Kuna ID. Our window weatherproofing solutions are perfect for protecting your home from the elements. We also offer window tinting and window glazing services in Kuna, Idaho to enhance privacy and reduce glare. For window sash installation and window screen replacement in Kuna ID, trust our skilled technicians to deliver exceptional results in every window replacement Kuna ID project. Explore our window style options in Kuna ID to find the perfect match for your home. Our residential window replacement services in Kuna, Idaho are tailored to meet your specific needs. From energy-efficient windows to vinyl window installation in Kuna ID, we provide comprehensive solutions. Our double-pane windows in Kuna, Idaho are designed to improve insulation and reduce energy costs, making them ideal for high-quality window replacement Kuna ID upgrades. For window installation services in Kuna ID, our team is ready to assist with custom window solutions and home window upgrades. Our window glass replacement services in Kuna, Idaho ensure clarity and durability. Trust our window frame installation and window sealing experts in Kuna ID to maintain your window's integrity. Our window maintenance services in Kuna, Idaho include window insulation and window contractor expertise, all essential for successful window replacement Kuna ID. Choose our window design consultation services in Kuna, Idaho for personalized window measurement and window fitting. Our window hardware replacement and window caulking services in Kuna ID are second to none. Protect your home with our window weatherproofing solutions in Kuna, Idaho. Enhance your windows with our window tinting and window glazing services in Kuna ID. For window sash installation and window screen replacement in Kuna, Idaho, rely on our experienced team to complete your window replacement Kuna ID flawlessly.